Okay, welcome to our Wednesday Loud Crowd, where we use the speak out method. And I always like to start the class with a little mental reminder of what it means to speak with intent. So let's do our warm up together, smooth and connected, lots of intonation. May, me, my, mo, moo. No flat robotic voice. You want lots of up and down in the voice. Now we point with intent as we say the word with intent. Here we go. May, me, my, mo, moo. And our intentional ahs. Moving on to some pitch exercises with intent. Intentional counting. So again, like the may, me, my, mo, moos, these are not flat 2, 4. It's 2, 4. It's up and down in the voice. So let's all read through this with intent, muted together. And next one, with intent. Read this one out loud.